or if a Jamaican show comes up, like Reggae Sunsplash coming up, etc. And so a big thing happened now. A big opportunity came. Well, before the opportunity came, we're finishing the tour in Europe, right? And I don't know what, but me and the man in there have a bus up, right? And man a cuss and a cuss. So we're up on stage, we carried on stage, you know. Me up on stage and, you know, we're dancing at the crowd and rock. I like say, dub wise. Nobody know people know. Man just a play same way. I say, what is? And then the whole argument went into the dressing room. Man want to fight me, etc. Anyway, I can say there's something that I don't even like talk about it, but it's real. So we don't talk to each other. Everybody, I don't know who talking to, but I don't talk to nobody in the band. All I know is that we wake up in the morning, there's some day that I cook, and there's some day that Carly and cook, right? We cook the food for everybody, and we're not, you know, you might say hello or whatever, but there's no conversation. So one day, I don't know, it must be a conviction hit me. But I'm there, I called a meeting. I said, I'm calling a meeting, and we're going to meet at Synergy's office in London. And while at the meeting, everybody wonder what me I call meeting for. They think they probably going to see me leave the band or something. Anyway, I said, gentlemen, and everybody came. I said, let's say a prayer. I'm going to pray. I will say, amen. let me tell you, I was not no big Christian in it, so everybody shocked to see me. I pray like that. So I said, gentlemen, you know, I just want to say this to the man then, that I noticed that we are not talking to each other. I don't know who talked to who, but I noticed that nobody's not talking to me, and I'm not talking to anybody. I take responsibility, gentlemen. I humble myself today, and I say to the four of you, I am sorry. I'm very sorry for what I've caused in the band. And, you know, I just say, let's just forget about the past and move forward. But I'm nearly faint. That is not me. I'm not a little prideful young man. That is not me, right? And I said to them,
KC ground and I come out here.
God, don't say nothing.
Don't say a word, God. Magic
So guess
keep
what?
quiet round the back there.
Yes, all the purple's quiet.
Yeah.
So listen, I mean, everybody was in shock, including myself. And hold on. So I said to them, gentlemen, Sunsplash is coming up in Jamaica. Now, we have not played in Jamaica for a while. We can't go Sunsplash and just play like the regular stuff. I'm just going to ignore it. And we're not used to that. We used to crowd a rock. And I gave them an idea. I'm going to give a quick party. We said to them, okay, gentlemen, what we're going to do is this. We're going to say, and by the way, I have everybody eating out of my hands because they can't believe me apologize, right? So I said to them, gentlemen, what we're going to do is this. I'm going to say, you know, okay, somebody said to the people, yo, you want to say, what with the London, you know, the Queen invited me to Buckingham Palace. And, you know, people don't make noise about that. So we said, when we go in, we hear, and then Trapper John play like a strings, chop, cha, da, 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 chump, 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 and the crowd are screaming because me and Daddy go like say we dance, you know. And then the Queen said, oh my God, my guests are here. The Bloodfire Posse, the Bloodfire, you know. And then the Duke was said to her, by the way, gentlemen and ladies, I'm making this up. They were really happy, right? I said, the Duke said, who are they? And said, don't you know Bloodfire? It's a reggae group. And I said, what? Reggae. So we just say, she said, they do reggae songs like, I would just say, and I'm slang to me, and I'm slang to me. You know, some people mash up. Hear the Duke. Oh, I know that song. As a matter of fact, there's a reason that goes, goodbye. Please, you know. I would need for Sunsplash, you know. And then we finish it now with we say the Queen give us a tour. She makes somebody give us a tour. And then we book up in a room now. We hear pure noise in there. So when we open the door, we say Princess Di. And our husband is a problem. Say, the Princess Di, she did for our husband and say, young man, you're too girly. Yes, mash up again. Yo, everybody say yes. So we draft it at Sunsplash 1985. And the rest is history. Really rock the house. Coming back to Jamaica. Because like I said, people were expecting when you come back to Jamaica, you're not going to be the same. Can you play the same Pink Panther, the same? No, we come back different. Anyway, so we are here now and then a massive opportunity come now. Richard, I don't even ever tell you that one. massive opportunity. Billboard records, Billboard chart, I beg your pardon. Billboard charts called our management. First of all, I think it's CBS said to them, talk to Bloodfire. Billboard called our manager and said, we want to get into reggae. Okay, we want to get into reggae music. So we need to find a singer that, you know, that can we can promote, we can put them on the front page of Billboard and blah. And listen to me. I mean, that is a dream come true. You're not working for this, right? Anyway, cut a very long story short. I said to the man, yo, gentlemen, this is it. So they said, no, we have to do an audition in front of some old man, you know, just some people, which we had to do when we signed the deal with CBS. We are saying get flattened. Them say go out like it up on stage, and the man just cut them 10, and them not even say nothing. Them just cut them 10 and say, Yeah, so we think so we never get the thing. The man then responded by giving us a contract. Let's move on. So them say we have to sing in front of some old men. We say, all right, no problem, because we used to it. So it just so happened that I was gonna get married now, right? So I said to the man then, I called Chopper John. I said, Chopper John, listen, I have to go buy some stuff, you know, for the wedding. So I'm going up for 2 weeks. The thing is gonna happen in 4 weeks. I'm going up for 2 weeks. I say, can you just, you know, the guy just get together and just rehearse the song then, you know, 2 or 3 times, and then when I come back, I join them, right? And the man say, Chopper John said, no problem, man, no problem, man. So I'm gonna go up, spend 2 weeks, come back now. When I came back, are you hearing me, by the way? I see some
hear me. Listen, you hear me? You have upon the edge of a seat.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.